what's up guys, it's your boy Rod here with another video on Entry Thursday. So today we're going to talk about a little bit about the opportunities here that I take in the market this week, and currently I'm still in on these trades. Okay, so let's jump into it and go over some of why I decided to enter this market. All right, so at one point in time we're looking at GBP AUD. I noticed that this level of resistance here was broken, and just on a 4-hour time frame. So when I noticed that, I tried to get in a couple times here. I did lose like 2 trades, but because the risk was good, it was about like 60 bucks a piece, so not bad. Okay, I'm currently back in on this trade, trying to take advantage of it because I know that at some point in time, it could possibly break out and end up to this next level of support. Resistance. I'm sorry, guys. This next level of resistance before we can consider taking some profit. So you guys can see here that I got my stop loss at the bottom, and I'm risking about 36 pips for 127 pips. Okay, so this is a good risk to reward. As you can see, I've been going through a lot of consolidation here, but the reason why I'm still in this trade is because this level of support down here has not been broken. So in that case, if this level of support does become broken, I will forfeit this trade and I'll be out. I can extend my stop loss here to about down here, but I don't want to be risking like 80 pips. So I think like 36 pips, where I had it before, is quite sufficient because it's relatively under the lows of these 2 low points here. Okay, so that's pretty much my entries of GBP AUD today. And let's actually go over to USD JPY. Now also I want to show you guys really quick before I switch these pairs. We can see that that GBP AUD, let's see here, is in somewhat of an uptrend. Let's go out to the daily so you guys can get a clearer view. Why? Because even on the higher time frames, as you can see, this level of resistance here, this level of resistance was broken. Okay, and now it came back and touched this level of support, which is retracing to possibly go up. So that's what we're looking to happen. We'll see. There's going to be some bumps. It's not easy. This is what I'll be trying to show people. When it comes to trading, it's fun to see all the profits, but a lot of people, they don't talk about running into stuff like this and still being able to hold your trade. Okay, so let's jump on to USD JPY and see what's possibly happening. All right, so on USD JPY, as you guys can see here on the higher time frames, it was on an uptrend, pulled back to a support level, and now I think it's still continuing to go up to its uptrend here. Now, as you guys can see here, came up, higher low created, and it shot off. And you guys are probably wondering what I have these little lines for, right? These lines are levels of support that I'm marking off as, the chart is trending up. Okay, so in an event that one of these levels are broken, that signals to me, and again, I would have to take other things into consideration, not just that level being broken, but that will send a signal to me that the possible trend of this uptrend could possibly be forfeiting itself. So you don't want to, you want to pay close attention to what's going on. And like I said, one of the ways to do it is to mark off the levels of support or resistance as the trend is trending up or down, just to help you keep your psychology and to kind of remember where you are on the charts. Okay, now I did get in on this one just a little bit late, which is here. As you guys can see, it did touch the high of 31 pips, but I didn't take profit because I feel like this move is going to pay out some more, not until a level of support is broken. As to then, I will probably change my mind about this buy position. Okay, so just a quick 5 minutes or less. Sometimes I do rant on a little more, but today we're going to keep it short and sweet. I hope you guys took full advantage of my support and resistance to show you guys how strong and how this comes into play and how it, it helps you with your trading. With everything else that you do, support and resistance is one of the biggest key factor, along with your risk to reward. You always got to be knowing how much you're risking and how much you could possibly get. The only thing you can control is the risk. The reward is unknown. So it's your job to pay attention to how much reward is paying you and understand that the structure and everything that's, the way the chart moves, to ensure that you get paid the highest possible amount of pips, which then translate to dollars based on your lot size. So thanks so much, guys, and I will see you on the next video on Thursday. I am going to be dropping some other video aside from charts, just to give you guys some psychological aspect when it comes to trading. So keep up more with that on the channel, and peace out for now. Okay?